You've got to be real with yourself, guys. You got to be real with yourself. It's either work for the rest of your life, turn 65, retire late, and have absolutely no money to retire with because they give you absolute shit, or run a side hustle, even if it's on the side, even if you don't want to become a millionaire, you don't need to. But even just to make a couple extra $1,000 in your bank account, in your wallet every single month. I have people that don't want to be wealthy. They don't want to be rich. They just want to make a little extra income to help them benefit in their life and be able to provide for their families without the struggle. Think of what $1,000 to $2,000 extra a month can do for you and your family. Okay? Even $1,000 a month. It's money, right? And if you can create content for 2 hours a day, just simply do a couple of videos, send out a couple of emails, campaigns, every single day for 2 hours. If a 2-hour workday made you $1,000, you got to ask yourself, would you do it? Or do you prefer to work 2 weeks at a 9 to 5 to make $1,000? I mean, this is a no-brainer, guys. Like honestly, this is a no-brainer. You have to make the choice. You have to break out of that 9 to 5 mindset and start thinking about the bigger picture here. Because if you're going to retire at 65 and you have no money to do that, what was the point of working all of those years for somebody else? You do realize that you're giving all of that credibility to the person that you're working for. All of their dreams are being built while yours are going down. You're paying taxes to the government. They're taking practically a portion, massive portion of your pay. Why? Why go through that? Like, I don't know. I just want to hear your answers on this because this always confuses me. When people ask me, well, you know, it's a risk. What happens if it doesn't work? What happens if it does? What if it doesn't? Look, the only way you're going to know is by getting in and doing the work and taking the action. Putting your foot in the door. The first step, the very first step is getting in. Put your foot in the door. See how it can work for you. No one's telling you to spend thousands and thousands of dollars. There's going to be an investment with anything you do, right? But you don't need to spend thousands and thousands to get into this business. It's a no-brainer. All it takes is 2 hours of your day, even if you work 9 to 5. I have people who have 12-hour shifts and they're still finding an hour to 2 hours a day to work on their business. That's all it is. It's you just breaking out of that comfort zone, believing in yourself and believing that you can do this. I had to shift my mindset. It was like literally putting my hand in my brain, twisting it around to wake the fuck up because it wasn't easy to see the bigger picture. I kept doubting myself. I kept bringing myself down. Self-doubt. That's what this is. If you believe it, you can achieve it. You just have to believe it in your heart. And you need to find the right mentor to walk you through it, to guide you, to hold your hand. Don't let time slip you by. Time is fast. Time moves so fast. Like all that time I missed out with my kids, I still cry to it till this day. I missed out on precious moments. I missed out on their events at school. I missed out on so much. Why? Because I had to build somebody else's dreams. Think about the bigger picture. There is a bigger picture here. 2 hours a day. That's all you need to do. 2 hours a day. Show yourself. Show up. That's it. Learn the process. Find the right mentor. Because your content could be making you thousands of dollars right now, and you're just leaving money on the table, my friends. Money on the table. Is this business saturated? No.